Hi guys, welcome back to Rev Solutions. Today I'm going to be reinstalling the original head unit in this car. So when I bought it, someone had put in a Panasonic, I think it is. Maybe, I don't know, I'll show you in the photos. And I can't use the onboard computer with that one in, so I've bought the original one and I'm going to be reinstalling that today. So, this is the original one. So I've just got to get the other one out, and it should hopefully just be 2 clips to clip it in and be really simple. I've also plugged in the back the Bluetooth receiver so I can use my phone with this as well. So I'm going to get the aftermarket head unit out now and then put this one in, and I will show you and talk about it as I'm doing it.